Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the most incredible chef's knives of 2025, the blades that are making waves in kitchens everywhere. Whether you're a home cook or a pro chef, the right knife can transform your cooking experience. Let's check out 5 top picks that bring precision, durability, and style to your kitchen. First up, we have the Paudin Chef Knife, an 8-inch beauty crafted from high-carbon stainless steel. This knife is razor sharp, making slicing, dicing, and chopping effortless. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during long cooking sessions. Plus, it comes in a sleek gift box, making it a perfect present for food lovers. Next, meet the Matsato Chef Knife, a Japanese-style blade designed for balance and control. Whether you're prepping for a BBQ, camping trip, or a gourmet dinner, this knife delivers precision cutting with a lightweight feel. The razor-sharp edge ensures clean cuts, making it a go-to for chefs who love traditional Japanese craftsmanship. Now, let's talk about the Misen 8-inch Chef Knife, a hybrid German and Japanese blade that combines the best of both worlds. Made from AUS 10 stainless steel, this knife offers ultimate cutting performance with a razor-sharp edge that stays sharp longer. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, the Misen knife is built for precision and durability. Up next, we have the Mercer Culinary M23510 Renaissance Chef's Knife, a classic 8-inch blade with a full tang design for extra durability. The high-carbon steel ensures long-lasting sharpness, while the ergonomic handle provides a secure grip. If you're looking for a reliable, professional-grade knife, Mercer Culinary has got you covered. And finally, the Wüsthof Classic 8-inch Chef's Knife, a legendary German blade known for its razor-sharp edge and premium craftsmanship. This knife is perfectly balanced, making it ideal for chopping, slicing, and dicing with ease. If you want a knife that will last for years, Wüsthof is a top-tier choice. Alright food lovers, that wraps up our Chef's Knife Showdown. Whether you're looking for Japanese precision, German durability, or hybrid versatility, there's a knife here for every kitchen. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Check the description for full specs and links to grab your perfect chef's knife. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.